Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Porsche of Nashua, we have the all-new 2024 Porsche Cayenne. This one is featured in one of the three new colors. This one is Montego Blue. Might be mispronouncing that, but I did look it up and it said Montego. So we'll see if that's correct. Back seat area, absolutely gorgeous. This is just the base Cayenne, but for 2024, they're trying to make things a little bit more uniform in the lineup with the cars driving similar with just minor tweaks. And I can already tell this as a base car drives better than the previous gen. I know that because I've spent a ton of time in a 2019 base Cayenne, as well as, that's a nice spider in there, as well as a 19 Cayenne S, and it was a gigantic difference between the two. This one, much more sporty feeling than the base Cayenne of years past. I love this color. Just look at how deep and rich this blue is. This is one of my favorite blues on a car, that is for sure. This also features, on the passenger side, I'll just move my camera bag and everything, a screen for the passenger. There's a filter on it that the driver cannot see it, but as a passenger, it is perfectly visible. It's a touch screen as well. So that's your gauges. You can do your, what am I gonna say? Your music, everything like that. So very, very cool. You can tell the interior is much more redesigned than the exterior. Definitely like the Taycan, especially, and the new 911, especially with the shifter up here, but absolutely gorgeous. Montego Blue, black leather interior, sport design front fascia, heated steering wheel, which is hidden with a button through there. You only really know if you know. So let's see, $850 for the exterior color, base price $79,200. This one's stickers for $101,060. 3-liter turbo V6, 348 horse, 368 pound-feet. The sport design front fascia is $3,600. The leather interior in black is $3,700. Heated steering wheel is $280. Exterior mirror lower trim in base and exterior color $660. Exclusive design taillights $1,140. Passenger display is $1,490. Underdoor puddle light projectors is $330. First year 10,000 mile maintenance, that's pretty cool. Premium Pack Plus $8,090, and that gives you 4-zone climate control, heated seats in the rear, Bose surround sound, which is a great system, surround view with active parking support, ventilated seats in the front, ambient lighting, 14-way power seats, the panoramic moonroof, which I don't even have open. Oh, I like this. There, just touch sensitive buttons by the time we get to the other side, and HD matrix design LED taillights for an as tested price of $101,060. Absolutely, look at those lights. Those are gorgeous. Oh, look at that. I'm telling you, Porsche knows how to design a car, because that is gorgeous. I definitely will want to try the higher trim levels once they're available. The S, the Turbo, the E-Hybrid, everything like that. So definitely looking forward to that. Start stop button, it's not a twist turn anymore. Your drive mode control is all through here, and as I said, there's a little button behind there for the heated steering wheel. Looks like wireless charging, USB-C chargers. The vents are pretty cool. It's actually just up, down, all right there. So it's really kind of a cool design. Beautiful leather interior. No sport chrono. Let's take a look at that panoramic sunroof. Absolutely gorgeous. Tons of storage in here. But without further ado, we are in sport. 3 drive modes on this. You have normal, off-road, and sport. And then from there you can do sport, normal, sport plus on the dampers. But let's go for a ride. This is night and day difference in terms of interior design. But driving dynamics for the base car, I was a little disappointed when they didn't have an S for me to try, but I think it's good to start with the base and see how the just base car has changed, because I'm more familiar with the base of the previous gen. I've driven one home probably 5 times at this point, and it's a great car, but it was just like the jump to the S. It seemed, you could tell they were holding back on the base car. This one, it's really good. I do love the steering wheel. Paddles on the back of the wheel are still metal. Love the new gauges. That is absolutely gorgeous. Passenger display is so cool. Seen it on the Taycan. Now it's here. Some people absolutely adored the previous gen of Porsches, like the 991, 911, the first gen Panamera, because of the row of buttons. Well, the row of buttons works very, very well if you get every single option. If not, you're left feeling like, oh, I skipped on a lot of things. So here is where the minimalistic design really helps that. Let's be honest, not everybody can afford every single option, especially on Porsche. We all want to say we do, but some people are in the market for a $79,600 SUV, and Porsche does offer that. They also offer a base Cayenne with almost $25,000, well, it's like $22,000 in options, which is this example. So having buttons be illuminated instead of having literal blank switches is a great way to keep every customer happy and not sit there and be like, oh yeah, you should have ponied up for this. Although when you had a fully loaded car and every button was filled out, that was absolutely awesome to see and use. Now going into some corners. Wow. Okay, an SUV shouldn't corner like that, but it does. I did feel a little bit of body roll, not bad. And we're in sport dampers. I should have put it into sport plus dampers if I really wanted a feel for it. Let's see, how can I adjust the dampers? There we go. Now in full sport plus. You know, Porsche does a really, really good job of packing in a ton of features into their cars without making it feel cluttered. That was the other thing with the row of buttons. It took a lot to get used to. You know, and that was part of the fun of getting in one and driving, because it's just like, wow, it felt like a 737 or an airplane, just with a row of buttons. But let's be honest, how many of you can go into a Boeing 737 and know how to use every single control in there? And that's what people were really feeling. This is kind of like using an iPhone. It's very user-friendly while still having all the features you want. And before you guys hate on me for saying iPhone, I'm an Android person, so... Oh God, I do not want to hit this. that hard. Good way to test sport dampers. And again, this is the base powertrain. No hybridization on this. Just the 3-liter 6, which is the exact same motor that is in the base Cayenne that I'm so familiar with. It's just better. I don't know what they did, but I remember reading that they want the Cayenne to feel more uniform. You know, so somebody who gets a base Cayenne will have the same amount of fun that is in the full-on Cayenne, just with varying levels of power. And I think they've done that really, really well with this car. The base Cayenne, for once, I feel like I'm not sacrificing that sport feel. And yes, I do want to try the V8 a lot. And yes, I still think I would go V8. But if I can't pony up for it, I'm not sacrificing anything, I feel like. I'd still love to drive this car. And yeah, no, this isn't a base example. This is a $100,000 sticker. I should really be trying a $79,000 sticker for the base. But the only real big pack this car has is premium. That's it. And most of them are going to have it anyway. But in terms of driving dynamics, this car is what it is. There's no big driving changes. Let's see here. Not bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.